Hey guys, this is Robert, and I'm unboxing this package I got a while back. So let's open it up. See what's inside. Okay. In this package, we have a couple of things. We got a case for the iPhone 7 Plus. We got a USB-C cable, charging C cable. We got another pack of USB-C cables. We have an adapter from Archer. That's a USB-C OTG cable on the go. So you can plug in a mouse, drive, all that. And then we have another set of cables, same company, USB 3.1 C cable, C to C. Okay, cool. So if you're interested in any of these products, the link will be in the description below. And anything you buy from Amazon will help support the channel. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.